What's up everyone, Dylan here, and in this video I'm going to show you how much I make a week Doordashing. We're going to talk about it, everything. I'm going to give you guys the behind the scenes look at it, give you all the rundown on my numbers, so you'll know if it's right for you, for real. I mean, I'm going to be real with you. I'm going to show you everything. I ain't holding nothing back in this video. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the area in which I'm Doordashing in. I said this in my last video. I live in West Virginia, so West Virginia period, man. It's not a good place to probably DoorDash. That's another thing. Let me know in the comments down below if you DoorDash and where you DoorDash at, the state, the city, whatever. I just want to know really what it's like in the city. I want to know how people really do in a big city. I look at my map, and Pittsburgh be popping. That shit's always busy looking.
Alright guys, what I'm showing you here is my earnings for the week of November 30th through December 6th. As you can see, I made $453.12, and my dash time was 23 hours rounded down, and my active time was 16 hours rounded down. Now what the dash time is, that is my total time I was active, waiting for deliveries and fulfilling deliveries. The active time is just the time I spent actually in the car driving, delivering the food. So if we take 453, rounded down, right, 453, divided by 16, how many hours you actually spent working, that's $28 an hour rounded down. So, that's not bad, okay? So 453 divided by 23, alright? That's the whole time you spent active and dashing, right? $19 an hour. That's not bad no matter how you look at it. And on top of that, I did all that in only 59 deliveries. So 1 week, 59 deliveries, just about $500.
So if you'd like to see how much money you can make in your area, I'll leave my referral link down below. And with that, once you complete 50 deliveries, DoorDash will send you $50. But that's only if you use a referral link. Another good thing about the referral link, when I signed up, I unfortunately didn't have one, so I had to wait 2 weeks before I could be approved to DoorDash. But if you refer somebody, that process is expedited, and it's usually within 24 hours. So just something to think about. To kind of tell you how much you make per delivery, DoorDash pays you $3 per delivery usually. Some places a little bit more, but usually $3. It is definitely possible in some areas to make more than $1,000 a week, but to make that, you are gonna have to work at 40 hours a week plus, guaranteed. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos.